now. Okay, hi guys, this is Benny Biscuit Gamer here, and we're getting attacked by a giant blue dog. Me and my friend, Comedy Carp. This is his first video. He's off getting recorded over there. His own cameraman. Like you know how I do things. We thought we'd start out in this woods and be like a race system. So, yeah, I thought of this. So we start here. You run around. You run into their neighbor. Run into my friend's yard, who has the dog. It's not Comedy Carp. Do not worry. I'm not getting attacked by his own dog, but it's my friend's dog. He's actually the cameraman for Comedy Carp. And we have to try and make it all the way through the yard, and first one to do it wins. So let's do this. Miles is cameraman, zooming on me. Let's do this. Okay, Smiles, we're doing this race system, starting out here, and then we race into the yard, and we see who gets out there first. Now, since I'm faster, Blue's probably gonna attack. Yeah. So, we have to start here. And we don't care if you have new Jordans, Miles. You're gonna be out of these woods soon, okay? So, we start here. Miles is cameraman. I have to try and catch up. I have to try and keep up with Miles. Okay, let's do this. I have the outside rim. Miles has the inside. So he has the advantage. Okay, 3. Miles, get in a starting position. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I made it through. Comedy Carp lost. So that's Biscuit 1, Magic Carp, nothing. Okay, Comedy Carp.
Probably get copyrighted for that.
We're gonna do.
Yup.
We're gonna do one more race, and if you win it, we'll do a tiebreaker and rock, paper, scissors, shoot. If I win,
Look at his eyebrow. Look at his eyelashes.
Where are we running to?
this time we're running we're running from up your driveway.
He's on me. He's on me.
We're running from up your driveway all the way around your yard. 2 times. 2 times.
Oh my God, what the hell?
2 times. 2 times, okay? I'm running. The attack, instead of the attack of the clones, it's the attack of the dogs. How do you got? Yeah, okay, we're just gonna play around with them. Let him. Okay. One of Miles' friend, he's gonna be the sacrifice.
No.
You have to be the sacrifice.
You're the sacrifice.
Doggy,
I have a sacrifice.
No. God. No. Cameraman. Oh, he's passive. He's like, this is my gal. Oh, cameraman survived. Anyways, this has been another episode. First episode with Comedy Carp. I'll see you all next time. Gonna do a crazy stunt right here. Gonna run right through the yard. Send up this video. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, leave a like. And until next time, bye-bye. Peace out. YOLO.